So here's a nodule that I cut from the front yard, and sometimes it's kind of like hard to tell if a nodule is pink or not, but one way you can tell is actually when you cut it in half. If it's like, at least like if it's big enough, you will actually be able to see like a pinkish color inside. And so we actually see that here, pinkish color inside. So actually farmers actually do this with like soybean. They get there and they try to see if like, oh, are these nodules fixing nitrogen? What they do is like they will just like get a nodule, cut it in half, and then see and look for this pink color. So homework for you is, what makes the nodules look pink? What's kind of like, yeah, what protein or what chemical structure makes the nodules to look pink? Okay, so that's the part where you want to observe under the microscope. So from our first slide, you could see that the stain was pretty strong. So we definitely need very little stain and they need for a shorter time. So microscope battery died, so I connected it to a computer and kind of like to charge it. So when you choose mass storage, that means you're just trying to see the pictures that have been taken or the videos. And then you go to your computer. When you go to a computer, it's like go like in the file finder, and then where like flash drives or USBs would be, for me it's called no name, and then it says DCM, and that's where all the images that I've taken are. So there they are here, all the images that I've taken. Okay, so that's my storage. Okay, so we add the cover slip, remember, from one side first, and then it won't lay flat, so let's try and like pipette in some water. If you need 2 hands for this. Okay, as much as you can add. Yeah, so I definitely need a little more water in there. Definitely need 2 hands. And like me with 1 hand right now. Okay. There we go. So here's what it's stained, and that's what we see. Try to focus it so it looks like around it the stain picked up, then the middle part didn't take up the stain. Take a picture. All right. Okay, that's good. is a different one. I have a different one. So just make sure that everything that you use, like the microscopy, take a Ziploc bag to put them in there so we can later dispose of them.